Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Ambilight showing wrong colors on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. So first of all, let's press the gear button on the remote control to open quick menu. From here go to all settings menu, and in all settings let's select Ambilight. Now first of all, to calibrate our Ambilight, go to advanced menu and select wall color behind the TV, and make sure to select your color, because if you select a color that is not the color of your wall, your Ambilight will show you the colors differently, so not the way that it's supposed to. Now besides, make sure to go to Ambilight Personalization and adjust the brightness and color saturation in this menu. And if you just want to use a single color for your Ambilight, go to Ambilight Style either here or by pressing Ambilight button on your remote control and select Fixed Color. Now after selecting Fixed Color, you can also adjust the fixed color itself by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, or by once again pressing the gear button on your remote control, then go into all settings, then go to Ambilight Personalization, and then go to Fixed Color Selection and either select one of the preset colors or adjust the color using the levelers below. And that's how we fix this issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.